Top 5 holistic chia seed recipes that fight inflammation. If you're eating chia seeds but still feeling bloated, inflamed, or tired, you're not alone. Most people are using them the wrong way. But don't worry. In this video, I'm going to show you 5 easy and powerful chia seed recipes that actually help calm inflammation and support your body from the inside out. Chia seeds might be sitting in your kitchen right now, but most people have no idea how powerful they really are. It's not just about throwing them into your smoothie and calling it healthy. When you mix them with the right foods, they can actually help lower inflammation, give you more energy, and even support your gut and joints. So if you're someone who believes that food should help you feel better, not worse, you're in the right place. New here? Welcome. We're so glad you found us. Make sure to like this video and hit that subscribe button so you don't miss out on more simple ways to feel better with food. And tell us where you're watching from in the comments. We'd love to say hi. Chia alone isn't enough. Let's clear something up. Chia seeds are great, but they're not magic on their own. A lot of people just toss them on cereal or stir them into water and expect big results. But that's not how real healing works. To truly fight inflammation, your body needs ingredients that work together. That means foods that help soothe your gut, lower stress in your cells, and support your immune system, all at the same time. That's what today's recipes are built for. Let's get into it. 1. Turmeric-Ginger Chia Pudding, the anti-inflammation classic. This one is a real powerhouse. Turmeric is packed with curcumin, which is known to help fight inflammation. But here's the trick. Curcumin is more effective when combined with black pepper and healthy fats. That's where chia seeds come in. They provide the healthy fats, turmeric does the anti-inflammatory work, and black pepper helps activate all of it. What you'll need: 1 cup unsweetened almond milk, 1 tablespoon chia seeds, ½ teaspoon turmeric, ¼ teaspoon ground ginger, pinch of black pepper, 1 teaspoon maple syrup, optional. Why it works. Turmeric and ginger work together to calm inflammation in your body, while chia seeds offer omega-3s and fiber, which help with digestion. This isn't just breakfast, it's giving your body the nutrients it needs to heal and feel better. 2. Berry-Acai Chia Smoothie Bowl, the antioxidant bomb. Berries like blueberries and strawberries are full of antioxidants, especially anthocyanins. These powerful compounds help reduce oxidative stress, which is one of the main causes of chronic inflammation. When you blend them with chia, you're getting both fast-acting antioxidants and slow-burning fiber. What you'll need: 1 frozen banana, ½ cup, frozen blueberries or strawberries, 1 tablespoon chia seeds, 1 teaspoon acai powder, ½ cup oat milk. Toppings: sliced almonds, coconut flakes, extra berries. Why it works. This smoothie bowl tastes like dessert, but it fuels your body like a healthy green juice. The acai and berries fight free radicals, while chia helps keep your blood sugar stable. No crash, no cravings later on. 3. Chia-infused lemon ginger water, the morning reset. Say goodbye to regular lemon water. This is the perfect drink to start your day. Ginger helps with digestion, lemon balances your body's pH, and chia adds fiber to keep you full while cleansing your gut. What you'll need: 1 tablespoon chia seeds, 1 cup filtered water, juice of ½ a lemon, 1 teaspoon grated fresh ginger, dash of honey, optional. Why it works. Drinking this in the morning not only hydrates you, but also calms your digestive system and gives your body anti-inflammatory benefits before breakfast. Pro tip: let the chia seeds soak for at least 15 minutes before drinking. This allows them to form a gel-like texture, which helps trap toxins and flush them out of your body. 4. Spicy avocado-chia toast, the savory option. Not all chia recipes have to be sweet. In this one, we mix chia with healthy fats from avocado and spices that fight inflammation. What you'll need: 1 slice sprouted grain or sourdough bread, ½ mashed avocado, 1 teaspoon chia seeds, pinch of sea salt, chili flakes for some heat, optional, turmeric, olive oil drizzle, or tomato slices. Why it works. Avocado is packed with healthy fats that help lower inflammation. The chia seeds add omega-3s and fiber, while the spices boost circulation and digestion. Quick fact: a small study found that eating avocado daily lowered inflammation markers in just 4 weeks. 5. Cacao-Chia Anti-Inflammatory Dessert, the guilt-free treat. Yes, dessert can fight inflammation too, if you do it right. Raw cacao is full of flavonoids, which are natural anti-inflammatory agents. When you mix it with chia, you get a sweet treat that heals from the inside out. What you'll need: 1 cup coconut milk, 1 tablespoon chia seeds, 1 tablespoon raw cacao powder, ½ teaspoon cinnamon, 1 teaspoon maple syrup. Why it works: cacao supports your brain and heart, cinnamon helps boost your metabolism, and chia provides gut-loving fiber. It's like your favorite chocolate pudding, but much healthier. Why this matters? Here's the truth. Chronic inflammation doesn't always show up loudly. It builds up slowly from bad food choices, stress, and toxins, until it leads to fatigue, joint pain, brain fog, and more. What you eat every day can either make it worse or help calm it down. These chia seed recipes are simple, affordable ways you can start soothing your body today. So there you have it. 5 delicious, nutrient-packed chia seed recipes designed specifically to fight inflammation. These aren't just trends. They're real, research-backed meals that help heal your body from your gut to your brain. Start small. Pick one recipe, try it this week, and see how it makes you feel. Holistic wellness isn't about making huge changes overnight. It's about taking small steps that lead to big results. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up and share it with someone who's ready to take charge of their health. And don't forget to subscribe. New videos drop every week, and you don't want to miss what's coming next. Got a favorite chia recipe? Drop it in the comments. We read every one of them. Your health is in your hands, and we're here to help you take it back.